girl Simone here, and today in this video we're working with Supernova wigs. I don't think I had a wig from them before. I believe I had bundles from them before in the past. This is how the unit looks. I'm praying that it's bleached. I'm praying that it's pre-plucked. Okay, it's pre-plucked. Is it bleached? I don't think so. So I'm just hoping that we can still make magic here. Now, Supernova, I'm gonna need you to put a headband on this because everybody else in their mama and their brand has headbands on their wig. So you need to put a headband on because it's just easier for the consumer, especially if you guys don't know how to put on your own headband. I mean, I have a video showing you how to, but if you don't know how to put a headband on, it's so much more easier for the customer to just go ahead and put the wig on and get going. So headband. They did include a spandex one. Okay, with that being said, sometimes I wear a headband, sometimes I don't, but today's video is not about a headband. I'm just opening it for the first time and reviewing. So I haven't seen this before. Well, I haven't seen it in a long time. So they gave me a fake scalp unit. No. They gave me a silk base unit. So underneath you can see right here I have different color, and then right here it has the regular lace. But a silk based unit, a lot of people have not been wearing for a while. When I first started to do lace wigs, silk based units were so like the thing because they look so good and realistic. When you look up close, there is no grid marks. However, sometimes when it comes to silk based units, it takes more work to flatten down your wig. Okay, so if you watched my previous video where I had a hot comb and I showed you guys how I flattened down the top of my wig, you're going to most definitely need a hot comb. I'm sorry, whether you have one or not, this is the perfect time for you to go ahead and purchase because silk top rises. Okay, now that's not a bad thing. Okay, not a bad thing. However, you just need to give a little bit more effort. However, if you don't want to have squares in your part, if you don't like that look, that is fine, but definitely opt in for a silk base lace front. Not my favorite, but they might be some other people's favorites. So you can see it mimics a scalp. Like, it really looks really real. There is a line of demarcation and the difference in color, so we're gonna have to most definitely put foundation on this. But if you see up close, it is, come on baby, focus. If you see, there's that line right there, which we can always hide, so don't worry about that. But I do want to show you guys that in case you were to order. Okay, and before we even get started, go ahead and cut that lace off of the back of the wig. Obviously nobody's skin is this color. As you can see, it's great. Well, people's skin are that color, it's just not my color. And you can see the lace is not really fitting, so we're just gonna have to, a headband would have definitely done the job. I don't want to put one on. But wait, do I have to pluck this? Yes, I do have to pluck this. We're gonna pluck this off camera. Okie doke. So since we're not gonna bleach these knots, I am gonna actually go ahead and use my MAC foundation. Get a nice fluffy brush like this, and you only want to put it on the areas that have lace, because remember it has the silk top right here, so it's not gonna show that part, but it looks a little better. You can see in the front it has more of like a gradient-y kind of flow. What you want to do next is go ahead and cut off any excess around the ears like we always do. And as you cut off pieces for the parts by your ears, you will actually cut off a little bit of the silk base, the silk top, but you're gonna kind of have to if you want it to match your head. Just don't cut off too much though. Okay, unfortunately, I'm going to have to go ahead and just put the headband on, even though I didn't want to. If you want to see this, go watch my video, which is super detailed, which I'm going to link right here. But I have to because I feel like the way the lace is made in the front, it's just not going to sit on my head properly. I'm going to need spray or gel or glue, and we're going to do this glue like we've been doing everything else. So that's what I'll do off camera. As you can see, in case you guys are wondering, inside, I did sew a little bit on the lace and a little bit on the silk base right here. Hot combs on. Make sure your hot comb is on. I couldn't pluck a lot though. I couldn't pluck too much or you would have seen the lining of this silk base, so that's really unfortunate. So we're gonna try to just make this work with a very full hairline. Again, my hot comb is on. So we're just going to take this layer by layer because I feel like there's a lot of hair in this wig, especially up here, not in a bad way, but we're just going to part and then work our way up until it's time for us to just go ahead and go fully into styling. Part from here to here is very short. Now when you get up here, it's way longer. I'm getting major side part vibes with this wig, so we're gonna do a side part with this. I'm just gonna hot comb this and then I'll come back. I'm so ghetto in this video. I'm just gonna hot comb this and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. Now before you guys go nuts, I just wanted to mention to you guys again, what am I saying? Wait, I just want to mention to you guys again, the part is white. We're going to color that to match our skin, so don't worry about that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Again, I have not recurled it or anything, so this is just it in its natural state. Now this look actually doesn't need any kind of like baby hair, just doing its own natural thing on its own. I'm gonna just pluck this a little bit wider right here. Guys, I'm just literally just sculpting my hairs. Now remember, the less baby hairs looks better, so I'm just taking out a little bit. Now when it dries, I'm gonna actually brush this back, but I'm just kind of setting the lace so that when it's time for me to brush the hairs back, the lace will kind of not move, if that makes sense. So we're not done yet. I know you're probably like, you're still going. We're gonna go ahead and color this because, honey child, this is white and I am clearly blessed with melanin. So we're gonna go ahead and just fix that. Use a yellow based foundation because it just looks natural. If you use a red one with a red tint, it'll look a little crazy, especially when you're in the sun. So make sure it's yellow based. I put a little on my hand and then I just use a skinny brush. And I'm just gonna color this in as straight and neat as possible. Guys, so we are done. I'm not gonna even do anything else more to the hair. I mean, on a regular day I might just curl right here, but I think what I'm just gonna do is just like do my little trick where I just kind of like twist it into the hair, twist it into the other curls so that I don't have to do much. But we're freaking done. Like, that was so easy, and you know, the only thing that took time was really the plucking, but other than that, everything was so much. Sometimes over time it does like swell and stuff. I am highly impressed with how good this looks. I'm not gonna lie, it does give you the confidence that I think a lot of people don't really get when they're wearing wigs, and I'm saying that because you don't see the grids in the actual scalp. So I think that's where, honestly, I feel like when I used to live in New York and I used to be on the train, when people were standing over me, I'm like, oh my god, they can see my grids, oh my goodness. But I feel like with this, I have a little bit more confidence because I'm like, you can't see grids. This is how it looks up close. Now remember guys, I didn't even bleach the knots that were on the lace right here. Again, we colored it to match our color because it was a weird pale color. Now there is a line of demarcation, as you can see, from right here to right here. But for the most part, it looks pretty good, so I'm very, very, very impressed. I also like how I was able to wear the hair curly without actually having to curl it, because I didn't curl it. This is just how it looks. Sorry guys, I am flashing out all through this video. It looks really good. I don't have to curl the hair. I'm running my fingers through it. The curl is still staying in it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you're looking into getting a silk-based lace wig, definitely go and do it. But if you're just not a fan of it, then who am I to change your mind? But I hope I did change your mind. So thanks for watching this video. Again, this is with Supernova Hair, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.